What's poppin'? How we doing this morning? Hopefully everybody's good. I do believe we might see a market bounce today, just because we came right back down to this level yesterday. Now we can see the reaction off of it. So I am interested to see what happens. We got job numbers coming out in 13 minutes. I lost money yesterday. So, DWAC, that bounce completely failed. Lost money from it, but you know, it is what it is. As part of trading. So, had my first red day in like 3 weeks. It's all good. We'll make the money back. And let's see, hold on, give me 1 second over here. Start the morning off with a bing bong. Hold on. Bing bong. There we go. Good morning, everybody. Again, you guys know the drill. Make sure to click that like button. It would be greatly appreciated. And if you guys are not, make sure to click that subscribe button. If we get 30 new subscribers in this live stream today, I'm gonna keep count. I'll buy a new chair. Good morning, good morning. Yeah, I mean, red days are bound to happen in the market. You're not going to be green every single day. And, you know, that's part of trading. And if I would have quit whenever I had a red day, I would have been done, you know, so long ago. And what's crazy, hold on, can you guys still hear me? Because YouTube's like got some issues this morning. I don't know what it is. It's like not loading correctly. I don't know what it is. But what I was saying, what's crazy is literally like almost 1 year ago today, I almost quit trading. Like for good. And now we're here. Can you guys hear me? You can. I don't know what's going on. If for some reason I cut out, just start typing in the chat that I cut out. Again, YouTube's having issues. But let's get this popping. So I am going to be trading QQQ and SPX, or the SPY, I mean, with Uncle Savage today. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna find the two best setups. And then I'm gonna trade QQQ and SPY on top of it. It's not like I was down money, because going up into February of last year, I had a really good, you know, 3 months, to the point where February, I didn't necessarily lose money. I just lost profits. Very frustrating. But every trader gets into those moments. Yeah, it almost wiped me out the game. But we still here, baby. Let's see, priority week. But yeah, there's some news today that I wanted to say. Hold on. Etsy shares are trading higher after KeyBank upgraded the stock from sector weight to overweight and announced a $200 price target. Let's see, Affirm got a price upgrade to 140. Well, actually a downgrade, 185 to 140. But Morgan Stanley is saying that Affirm is a buy. Perfect. And then let's see, AMD with a downgrade from 140 to 130. AMD shares fell 1.3% to 126.55 in the pre-market. Hut 8 announces acquisition of Terrago's data center business. And then Morgan Stanley upgraded, what is this stock? SEE. It's something I'm watching for a swing. That's why, well, maybe we're not watching it for a swing anymore. Well, it was something I was watching. But, okay. Anyways, let's try to find some setups. Again, 2 banger setups is all we need. Boeing denying that breakout yet again, losing the moving averages. Depending on job numbers, if they pull the market, I would be interested in Boeing puts. Why did I almost quit? Just very stressful. Lots of losing trades. Nothing was connecting. Took a vacation, with my fiance. Came back. Been killing it ever since. December wasn't my greatest month either. This past December, still made money. Just still, again, very, very frustrating. Short this DWAC to the freaking ground after yesterday. Now let's see, RX has to do with oil. OCX. Still watching that swing. Wait for that breakout. Let's see. We were playing bounces on DWAC. FYI. Nothing really changed. It was just kind of taking a step back. Sometimes you just need to take a break and lower your position size. Might be interested in PayPal to the downside. We'll see. Qualcomm got smacked. Not entirely interested in that. Again, make sure you guys are clicking that like button. We got 140 people in here and only 71 likes. Half of you have not clicked that like button. Again, every subscriber we get a bing bong. XPEV. Not interested. You guys said China names were gapping up. Badu. Neo. Not interested in Neo. Alright, cool. Let's go to the other list. Once 8:30 rolls around, that's going to give us a better understanding of what's going to happen today. AMD, interested in some puts. Especially because it's bounced off this level before. Break below there is definitely going lower. Let's see, we looked at Boeing, we looked at Baba, we looked at Baidu, Coin. Let's see the Costco contracts. $50 spread. No way. Forget that. Somebody said Facebook looks good to short. Honestly, not too interested in Facebook. It would have to come all the way down here below 318.44 for me to be interested. Come back to that later. Let's see Goldman Sachs. Savage's levels are pretty simple. They're just support and resistance points. You buy off support, sell at resistance. That's all they are. Yeah, I don't think corn's gonna give us the push. Oh my. The push that we want. But we could watch Lucid over this level. Thank you for the subscribe. We get a bing bong. There we go. But yeah, unfortunately, I don't think corn is coming back. I am watching it again though because the corn futures they have a huge gap that it needs to fill on the daily, and it looks like it could actually fill it. Good morning, good morning. Let's see Moderna. What up with it? Corn futures. Good morning. Let's see, we got 1 minute till job numbers. Let's see what they end up being. Alrighty, let's see. Patiently waiting. Why is Benzinga always so slow? There we go. U.S. jobless claims plus 55K to 286K in January 15th week. Let's see, U.S. January 8th week, continuing claims plus 84K to 1.635 mil. So, let's see how the futures react to this. Give it like 2 minutes. Let's see, we gonna dump, we gonna pump. Let's see, what are your questions? Hold on. Yeah, Mike, but the thing is, when it comes to my strategy, I have a very specific setup that I like to trade. So Tesla yesterday did not meet my criteria. Could you have traded it? Of course you could have. Just didn't meet mine. Yeah, when the market goes down, I look for stocks that have strength, because when the market recovers, those are more than likely going to be the ones that go. All right, we'll come back to the futures in a minute. Let's continue looking for some setups. I think a bunch of them just got invalidated off of that, but we shall continue. No, follow savages. Let's see. You guys could watch PFE to the downside. Contracts are just too cheap. Let's see, where is it? PFE, PayPal. We already looked at Qualcomm. I would be interested to see what happens with Roku. 3 dojis in a row on the daily time frame at the bottom of the downtrend. Might actually watch this for some upside. Roku. Again, make sure you guys are clicking that like button. That would be greatly appreciated. For some reason, I cannot talk today. But yeah, make sure you guys click that like button. And might watch Tesla both ways today. So 4-hour squeeze, we'll see. Tesla. All right, cool. We got a pretty decent list that we can flip through. We got Boeing, DWAC, PayPal, Baba, Baidu, AMD, Lucid, Moderna, Roku, Tesla. Futures are like in the news. We swung Tesla calls yesterday, or not Tesla, oh my god, SPY calls yesterday in the server. Jadon called out the 454s. Those should be up nicely this AM. Hopefully those print. They're in the money now. Cool. Let's see what we can find today. Still interested in only Boeing to the downside, so I want to see what the market does. Not too interested in DWAC. PayPal, we're gonna have to wait and see what happens there. I'd honestly be pretty interested to watch both sides of Baba. I had to put you guys on a different screen. Hold on. 5.9 for a push to 138.7. Or if it broke below 134, we could look to gap it back down. Thank you for the subscribe. I greatly appreciate it. Above 136. All right, so Baba, probably something I'll end up watching. If Baba goes, Baidu's going with it. Thing is, with Baidu, it's got more room than Baba does. Let's see, where is it opening? 163. And those 165 calls look pretty good. If you guys are asking questions, I just don't have you on the screen right now. Hold on. I'm trying to look at the other chart. Cool. I think we're gonna watch some Baidu. Good morning. Now you guys are back up. Let's get some Baidu on the list. Let's see, what is this? 161 down to cool. I like Baidu. Let me just check one more thing. Cool. Baidu gapping up with other China names. I like this more than Baba. Looking for a break above 163 for calls. Price target of 165.75. 167.5. If it breaks below 161.2, can look for puts to fill the gap down. Oh, no, I do not use anchored VWAP. I just use regular VWAP. Bang, so we got Baba. Or not Baba, Baidu. Cool. Again, make sure you guys are clicking that like button. Like the video. Subscribe. Boom. Let's see, where are we at? We're at Baidu, AMD. Futures fallen yet? Futures are trying to figure out what they want to do. Once we hit 20,000 subscribers, are we getting subscribers? I don't see them, but
bing bang.
There you go. Once we hit 20,000 subscribers, what I'll do, I'll buy a new computer chair and I will buy a new keyboard for you guys. So the ball is in your court. Get me to 20K. See, personally, I would still be interested in AMD puts if it broke below 125, because that'd be a huge violation. Pretty sure that's the previous all-time high as well. Yeah. So I would be interested below 125. Keep that on my radar. We'll come back to that. Lucid. Lucid getting a lot of pre-market volume. Let's see. Still, I'd only be interested in Moderna puts below 172. I have a mic. I have, what is this? It's a Blue Yeti. It's black though, so I guess it's a black Yeti. But yeah. I don't know what it is. The mic tends to pick up every single thing, every sound. Doesn't matter what it is. I could hardly move and you're gonna hear it. I am very interested in Roku though. 3 dojis. Alright, let's go back and get rid of the stocks that I don't like. Let's see. Boeing's trying to come up, so we're going to take that off the list. I was only interested in puts. DWAC. Screw this stock. Take that off. PayPal. Grizzlies list is out. Let's see what he got. Walmart. What's he watching? 143.8. So he's looking for that gap fill. Intel. Video. Cool. Where were we at? We were at did we look at PayPal? I'll have to come back to PayPal. Baba. I think I'm gonna take Baba off just because it's got like limited room. Then AMD. Oops. I honestly think AMD, it's probably gonna find its way onto the short list, to be honest. I like AMD, I like Lucid, I like Moderna, I like Roku. So take PayPal off. And let's see. Okay, so we got 4 other stocks that we can flip through. AMD, Lucid, Moderna, Roku. These are the 4 that I really like. So AMD's either gonna bounce here because it came down to that support right here once. Could double bottom unless it's hidden in the past. No, it has not. So it could double bottom right here today. Bounce back up or break below the support and head even lower. So that might be something I decide on a little closer to market open. Lucid is picking up steam in the pre-market. Lots and lots of volume. Might set up for a nice little scalp. You're late. I can't believe this. How are you late? Let's see. Turn on. Let's see what Roku's doing in the pre-market. I'm just interested in those dojis. Especially if we got a weekly doji. If Roku closed like this, I would be very interested in swings. Let's see what happens with it. All right. I don't trade Ford. Again, make sure you guys are clicking that like button. We got 221 people up in here and 162 likes. The math does not add up. Okay, so for me personally, I'm more interested in AMD to the downside. However, if we come down and test this 125 again and it supports it after the market opens, then I might end up looking for some calls. But put this on the list. Let's see, AMD. I've been sitting here for like 2 minutes talking and my mic was muted. Oh my. Whoops. Anyways, what I was saying is it's between Lucid and Roku that I really like. Those are my two favorites right now. Now, honestly, we can watch both of them. I just also want to watch the Qs and the Spy. Let's see. Still getting used to my little soundboard, my stream deck. Let's see. Yeah, post-COVID symptoms is stupidity. That's currently what I'm suffering from. Roku, getting very interested down here with 3 daily dojis in a row, showing signs that sellers are uncertain about driving prices lower. I would like to see a break above 170 for a possible push to the up. Are you kidding me? Break above pre-market highs for a possible push higher. Could also be bear flagging, so be careful. Let's see, so what do we got? We got Baidu, Roku, and what was the other one? AMD to the downside. And then we're gonna watch Lucid, because Lucid has like absolutely insane pre-market volume. As long as Lucid does not break this level, I will be interested. Lucid looking for a break over 41.67. Lots of pre-market volume. If it breaks above there, I will look for a push to 42.44, 42.92. After that, let's see. Really not too much support and resistance on this thing. Whoops. Cool. $42.92, $43.29. Bingo. Okay, so we got Baidu, AMD, Roku, let's see, Roku, Lucid, there we go. Perfect. So yeah, that's going to be what I'm watching today. Then I'm also going to be watching Wall Street Savages, SPX, and QQQ levels. So again, make sure stick to the plan. If it breaks the level, you know, look for an entry. But if it does not break the level, then there is no entry. So yeah, stay safe. Market's still very, very choppy. So take A+ setups only. Again, if there's no entry, no trade. But yeah, in case you guys didn't know and you guys are not subscribed, I go live every single morning, 8:15 a.m. Eastern time, and give you guys a completely free watch list for the day, as well as upload educational content like multiple times a week. So make sure you guys are subscribed. If you guys are not in the Discord server, feel free to head on over to my Instagram at carhorns and click the link in my bio. If you use discount code bull, hold on, let's see, bull50. That's going to get you into the server with 2 free trial days plus 50% off your first month. Other than that, everybody take it easy.